Hey guys, today let's learn how to view TikTok watch history. So if you'd like to go ahead and view the watch history of your TikTok, all we need to do is to launch the TikTok application and then tap on our profiles right here. Next, let us tap on the 3 lines option and then proceed to your settings and privacy. Now, once you're here, let's go on over on our content in order for us to see our history. So that should be located right here. I'm going to go ahead and try to view that and help you guys locate where this is. I'm going to tap on account right here and see if it is right there. As you would notice, we don't really have options over here to access our history. Let's try our privacy and it should be right here. So if you can't really locate where that is, either on your account, privacy, or security, I want you to tap on your activity center because right here we have the option to access our watch history. So just tap on activity center and then tap on watch history and you are going to see all of the videos that you have watched before right here. Now that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.